Okay, Cinnamon and Watermelon. We are going to do lesson 86. Touch column 1. Word 1 is Eohippus. What word? Spell Eohippus. Get ready. Eohippus is the first kind of horse that lived on Earth. Word 2 is enough. What word? Spell enough. Get ready. Word 3, what word? Spell skeleton. Get ready. An animal skeleton is all the bones of the animal's body. We call all the bones of an animal's body the elephant's skeleton. Everybody, what would we call all the bones of a goat's body? Right, a goat skeleton. What would we call all of the bones of a human body? Yes, a human skeleton. Word 4, what word? Spell daydream. Get ready. Word 5, what word? Yes, Mongolian. Word 6, what word? Yes, basketball. Find column 2. All these words end with the letter S. Word 1, what word? Yes, hooves. Word 2, what words? Yes, third grader. Word 3, what word? Yes, layers. Word 4, what word? Yes, muscles. Word 5, what word? Yes, cowboys. Good. Column 3, word 1, what word? Yes, quarter. Word 2, what word? Yes, pony. Word 3, what word? Yes, itself. Word 4, what word? Yes, drawn. Word 5, what word? Yes, rough. Good. Column 4, word 1, what word? Yes, giraffe. Word 2, what word? Yes, baseball. Word 3, what word? Yes, size. Word 4, what word? Yes, racehorse. Word 5, what word? Yes, sized. Word 6, what word? Yes, classroom. Very good. Part B. This selection is going to tell about different kinds of horses. You are going to read all the way till you get to the end by pressing pause. So start reading now. Press pause. Press pause and read. Press pause and read. Press pause and read. Press pause and read. Good. Now Miss Crate is going to read. Follow along with me. Different kinds of horses. Not all dogs look the same. Some are big. Some are small. Some have long hair. Some have short hair. Not all horses that live today are the same. Some are bigger. Some are smaller. Some have big, heavy legs. Some have thin legs. Some horses that are alive today look like the horses that lived 30,000 years ago. Question time. What was different about the horses that lived when the cave people lived? Good, they were smaller than today's horses. Good job. Follow along with me. Some types of horses that are alive today have been around for only 200 years. Picture 1 shows some types of horses. Let's go to picture 1. Horse A is a big, strong horse called a draft horse. A draft horse cannot run as fast as some horses, but this horse is good at pulling heavy things. One draft horse may weigh as much as all the children in the third grade classroom. Think of that. One horse that weighs as much as 30 third graders. Horse B is a racehorse. Race horses are small next to draft horses, but race horses are fast. In a race, the racehorse runs faster than any other kind of horse. But compare the legs of the racehorse with the legs of the draft horse. Look at their hooves and the bones right above their hooves. A big racehorse may weigh half as much as a big draft horse. Question: how much does a racehorse weigh? Good, half as much as a big draft horse. Good. Back to the story. But that racehorse weighs as much as 15 third grade students. A racehorse is about 2 meters tall at the head. Horse C is a quarter horse. Compare the quarter horse with the racehorse. Which horse has a longer back? Here's a surprise. The quarter horse weighs as much as the racehorse. If you want to know why, compare the hind legs of each horse. One horse has great heavy muscles. One horse has long, slim legs. Quarter horses cannot run a race as fast as race horses. But here's the rule about quarter horses. They can stop, start, and turn faster than race horses because they are stronger than race horses. Cowboys ride quarter horses. Quarter horses are good for chasing cows and for riding over rough ground. Look at your pictures of your horses. Horse D is a small horse called the Mongolian horse. What kind of horse is horse D? Good, a Mongolian horse. Not many Mongolian horses are still alive. The Mongolian horse is much smaller than a quarter horse or the race horse. It weighs about as much as 8 third graders. The Mongolian horse looked like the kind of horses drawn on the walls of caves. The Mongolian horse was the kind of horse that lived 30,000 years ago. Horse E is a pony. The pony is full grown, but it gets no bigger than a large dog. It is a little over a meter tall at the shoulders. It weighs about the same as 4 third graders. More next time. Now you can go back to the beginning of the story and read if you would like. And I will see you next time for the next lesson.